So what I'm gonna do here is, let me check. We're gonna first check if the file is empty, and if the file is not empty, which means there is some media in that file object. We're gonna call it it's a multi-part file type, and we're gonna call it file. So if that file is not empty, then we're gonna get the bytes of that file. We're gonna say file.getBytes. In that way we can get the bytes of that media. It could be a photo, it could be an audio, it could be a video. We're gonna put it in a area of bytes. Let's just say area of bytes. I'm gonna call it photo bytes. So we can get we're getting all the bytes of that file and putting it in a area of byte, and I'm gonna call it photo bytes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert it to some kind of blob, binary large object. Let's just type blob. I'm gonna call it photo blob, and let's just a new serial blob, and I'm gonna put photo bytes. So what this line is actually doing is it's getting the photo bytes, the array of bytes as a parameter, and it's converting it to a new serial blob. What it's essentially doing is it is converting those array of byte and converting it to some kind of binary large object, and we are calling it photo blob. So it's the photo bytes is getting converted into blob, and we're going to call it photo blob. Now that photo blob is some kind of blob, right? So we have our room, and we have a field there, right? We call it like let me see. We called it here it is, private blob photo. So we have a photo, and that is blob type, and I'm gonna set it to this. Let me go to room service. I'm gonna say my room, and I'm gonna set the photo, and it's gonna take the parameter as a blob, and I'm gonna say photo blob. This is how it's gonna be done. Okay, let's stop recording.